Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I want to tell you how to be a successful LTK influencer. So if you don't know, LTK is an affiliate platform. I used to have a one-to-one account manager. I was doing well on there. However, I'm not doing as well anymore because I am a full-time mum and a very part-time influencer. However, I want to share my tips and tricks, so bear with me. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make the goal sharing your links, not making money. What do I mean by that? You literally want to put links out into the world and make that the goal, not the cash. I promise you, once the links are out there, the cash will come. So you want to share links on your Twitter, on your Instagram story, on YouTube, on your blog, on your mailing list, everywhere and anywhere that you can. Anywhere. Anyway, also you want to use the LTK shopping platform. Now, maybe you want to tell me that you don't have any followers on there. That's okay. I didn't either. And then I started posting and I got 2,000, which was pretty cool. Also, you don't actually need any followers on there to get sales because people will find you through hashtags, keywords. I can't remember how else, but it will pop up. Anyway, people will find you despite them not following you. And then once they find you, they might shop and also they might follow you. And bing-a-bing, you get followers. Bing-a-bing, is that a word? Yeah, whatever. Anyway, next tip. So next up, make evergreen content. YouTube is a great place for evergreen content. And I'm trying to think where else, blogs, anywhere that people can search it and find it. That is a great thing to do. Put in your affiliate links. You never know. You might make the content now, make a few sales, and in 3 years' time, you might still be making sales. We love a bit of evergreen content. And of course, you want to mix up your price points and see what works for you. You might find that the small, cheaper items work for you, like the Amazon kind of quick £5 purchases. Or you might find that bigger ticket items work better for you, like, I don't know, sofas, who knows? I think you can even link holidays on there. So if you're a travel influencer, link your holiday. You never know, you could win big. Anyway, my next tip is talk about more verticals. So if you are normally a beauty influencer, try and branch out. Try and branch out to like fitness or wellness products or whatever. Just try and branch out because you might actually find that people follow you for the beauty and then buy more wellness. Who knows? Next up, don't give up. It's so easy to like try for about a week, see no sales and give up. It is not a quick win. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It is something that you'll just keep putting out there and eventually you'll be like, oh, this is actually paying off, just so you know. Also, it's really hard to make sales. No, I mean that in a good way. Like, it is hard to make a sale, so don't get disillusioned if you don't sell anything, because you will start to sell stuff. It will happen. And next up, this is a really important tip that I don't think enough people talk about. So on LTK, you can actually search for brands and look for their percentage of what commission they give. Some brands are really stingy and they give like 2% commission. I've sold coats and made like 20p. But other brands are really generous and they can give like 10, 15, even 20% commission, which means even a small purchase will rack up a lot of cash. So look for the brands that you love and look for the commission that they give you. And if it is high, go hard on those brands. And if it's low, maybe put them at the bottom of your to-do list. And then my final tip is one that I don't think enough people talk about. So I find the things that I sell the most of are the things I talk about the most. If I share something one time, I might not sell any. If I share something over and over again and people are like, oh my God, this girl loves that item, they are more likely to be like, do you know what? I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to purchase it. So I personally find the more I talk about something, the more it sells. And that's kind of it. It's not rocket science. You just have to be persistent. You just have to keep going for it. You want to think of it as a stream of income as opposed to like your overall income. And I just want to leave you with this final piece of information. LTK have paid over, I think it's at 20 creators £1 million each. Like, people are making big money this way. And that could be you. And even if you're not making $1 million, you could make like, say, 1,000 a month, which for a lot of people would be kind of life-changing. So yeah, stick with it, give it a go and experiment, see what happens, and just keep an eye on your stats and what's working for you and what's not, and just keep going with it. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.